Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Funfetti Cupcake cones with a cream cheese center topped with a homemade buttercream. These are so cute and creative. A little crunch from the cone with the moist cake inside. I can't wait to sink my teeth into one of these. So let's get started making these Funfetti Cupcake cones. Firstly, the cake ingredients. 1 Funfetti cake mix. Follow instructions on the back. 1 cup of milk instead of using water. 1/2 cup of melted butter instead of using oil. 3 eggs. Ice cream cones. Mix together Funfetti cake mix, milk, melted butter, three eggs. Set it aside. Cream cheese filling ingredients. 1 8-ounce softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup softened butter, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoons of vanilla extract. Place the cream cheese in a bowl. Begin to smooth it out by mixing it. Add butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour. Now it's time to fill up these cones. Place 1 tablespoon of cake batter in the cone. Add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese filling next. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon cake batter. Try not to overfill the cones. Bake at 350 for 25 to 28 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Buttercream ingredients. 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Begin whipping the butter until it's light and fluffy. Slowly add in the powdered sugar. Wipe the sides to incorporate all the ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, vanilla extract, These adorable cupcake cones are done baking. Now level the tops. After filling a sandwich bag with the buttercream, cut the tip of the bag and begin icing the cupcake cones. You can decorate these however you like. They are very customizable. Look at these fun and sweet cupcake cones. I hope you enjoyed this video. These adorable Funfetti Cupcake cones are delightfully sweet and fun to eat. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I'll see you guys on my next video.